Hello everyone, this is Ramya Nanduri, advocate practicing at High Court of Telangana, Hyderabad, founder at Majestic Law Academy. The agenda of this channel is to spread legal awareness and to give legal education, especially to train the judiciary aspirants and to motivate them. We also train for other legal examinations and we also give the information regarding all the legal aspects. The Majestic Law Academy provides coaching for judiciary aspirants and other legal examinations as well. So we also share the information regarding the batches that we conduct to give coaching for the judiciary aspirants and other legal examinations as well. The content, videos and materials that we share in this channel are strictly for academic, educational and knowledge purposes only and not in the violation of rules of Bar Council of India. We strictly adhere to the rules of Bar Council of India, especially rule number 36, which prohibits us from soliciting or advertising advocacy or our professional work. This initiative is not to solicit or advertise our advocacy or our professional work. I do not entertain any kind of phone calls for legal advice or legal consultation. I also do not entertain anyone to approach me for legal consultation or advocacy concerns through this channel. We are not directly or indirectly seeking clients or advertising for professional legal engagement. I am a judiciary aspirant and I would love to travel with lot many judiciary aspirants and to enhance my role as a teacher. I do not encourage anyone so as to establish advocate and client relationship between us through this channel. The contact numbers which are displayed in this channel are strictly for the purposes of inquiring about judiciary coaching which we are offering or any other legal awareness concerns or legal education concerns or any kind of legal aspects other than advocacy, legal consultation and any kind of professional work. We entertain phone calls to the contact numbers given in this channel only to inquire about judiciary coaching which we provide or any kind of legal awareness, legal education or knowledge concerns other than advocacy and professional works. The purpose of this channel is to only spread legal awareness, give legal education, train judiciary aspirants and motivate them, and also to give information regarding all the legal aspects and to train people for other legal examinations as well. And I say that the viewers and subscribers of this channel shall treat the content, videos or anything that we upload with the same intention. Dear judiciary aspirants, please travel with the teacher of your generation and achieve a remarkable success which can never be forgotten. Contact the teacher of your generation right away. That is Ramya Nanduri Tiger, advocate at High Court of Telangana, founder at Majestic Law Academy. Follow us for frequent updates. Thank you.